What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. I'm sorry it's been so long. There's actually been a lot going on. As you can see here in the background, we're actually planning to move. And with all the stuff that's going on, I still am working full-time. So unfortunately I haven't had much time. But I've had the vibe out this week and got a couple things done to it. Kind of revamp it. It's been running great. So today we're actually going to be going on a cruise from northwestern Tennessee to land between the lakes, which I believe is out in Kentucky. So I just wanted to kind of get you guys up to date on what I've done recently. I fixed this hood scoop. The original 3M tape was peeling up, so I just got some new on there and pressed it back down. And then we'll go ahead and hop in the car. And so this is going to be getting revamped a little bit. These are actually just test gauge faces, so I could try it out. But it's color changed from the factory red, and I'm actually going to be sending mine out to get redone. So I did that recently, took that out and swapped all those out. And it's going to be the same way where it has the kilometers an hour delete. I really like that. I think it cleans it up a lot. So that's what we've done inside the car. Now if we go back out here, I had kind of a rubber mat covering this in order to redirect any rain that might fall in through here when I was driving, or if it was raining, or if I washed the car. This is the filter, the water filter sock, which I think I showed it on my Instagram. I don't think I've showed it on a video yet. So I took this clear plastic, cut it up, it bolts down there, and then I just got electrical tape holding it down to the front of the battery. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I daily drove the Vibe this past week, so that's good. And then if you can see in there, this is actually a factory intake piping, and what it does is it runs up behind the fuse box, and then it actually dumps nice fresh cold air right here. I'm gonna redesign it, open it up a little bit, but I gotta do all that after I get rid of the battery. I'm gonna try to relocate the fuse box into the cabin or something, so I can just completely free this corner up. And then down here, if you can see, that's where the intake to the pipe is. And I actually have this leaf blower. So what I did is actually stood there and blew air into it and made sure that, you know, it was doing something that could be of value, and it does. It dumps directly under the intake, so if I'm in boost, it'll be sucking the air right up there. And that's good. Fresh cold air help keep intake temps down. I did remove the roof basket because my drive to work every week is on the highway, and that actually creates a lot of drag. So I got rid of it, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually starting to like how it looks with no roof basket on it. Makes it look a little bit wider. And then, like I said, it's been running phenomenal. I guess everything I did finally, you know, took its place. New spark plugs, new gas, valve cover gasket. I can't even remember at this point. I have extra coil packs just waiting if I need them. Have a spare passenger axle. Replaced a sway bar end link that was blown on this side, which actually, no, you can't see it, it's covered up now. But the nut was completely missing, and the sway bar end link was completely out of the end of the sway bar on the driver's side. So we're gonna take the car out today. We're gonna go on a cruise, and then hopefully sometime soon I'll be able to show you guys the new place. I'm actually gonna have a 2-car garage, so I'm gonna have all the cars in the same spot. I'm gonna be able to work on it. I'm gonna have my engine hoist. I'm gonna have everything I need in one spot. I'm so excited. All right, I'll catch you guys when we go to head out. Peace. Alright guys, so we got done with the cruise and we are now back at the house. I swapped the Vibe back out for the Lexus so I can drive the Lexus to work this week. I'm sorry that I didn't really get, more talking or anything interactive. I just kind of got highlights of it. We did stop just to take some photos together and decide whether to continue further on or just turn around and go back. We did decide to just go back because we did get stuck behind a truck on the roads and we wanted to be able to go through the curbs and stuff, just a little bit faster, of course, under the legal speed limit. But it was a ton of fun, and as you could see from the photos, we had a different set of cars, 2 hatchbacks, one naturally aspirated, one boosted. The Integra was boosted, had a pretty big turbo on it. The FRS BRZ was completely stock, and then of course my buddy's V6 Infinity, and he was leading the way the whole time. The car ran phenomenal. As long as we kept moving, temps were staying down. Boost was being responsive. It handles so good through corners, like so good. So I can't wait to do the sway bars and do some underbody chassis stiffeners. Add some crossbar connectors in the car. Maybe do a roll cage. If I do a roll cage, it'll probably be for looks. Hopefully more than functionality. I wouldn't want to need it. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. And I will be doing a full overview of the Vibe, everything I've done to it, how I did it, how much money I've spent on it, things like that. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.